When your boss praises you in the office, your performance gets better or it drops. When your partner praises you for your cooking skills, you cook better or you cook worse. That's the power of appreciation. Still many parents come and ask me कि मैम तारीफ करते रहेंगे तो बच्चा बिगड़ नहीं जाएगा. So to know how to appreciate, when you can appreciate, to know more about the tools, the words, join me on my free webinar that is on 1st March 4 p.m. online to explore, interact and understand how we can uplift our children with the power of appreciation. To join the session, DM me. I will share the WhatsApp group link to join. See you.